So, ito yung lagyan ng flowers, guys. It's a long, vase. May lavender plants din tayo. It's full sun. Let's see the outcome soon. Ayan, guys. Decoration plants. So, ito, guys, is lavender. Ayan. Look at that. And then, naapadiri sa pikas. So, ayan na siya. Yan yung look niya. Mas maganda to pag mag-flower na ang lavender. Start na siya, guys. Oh, ayan. So, ayan. Na-plan ko yesterday, last night. So, hindi ko napakita kasi